What would you do to your makeup for a midnight toast? Of course you would have pink champagne. The holiday season is all about sparkle and shine and definition. We have two beautiful kits to help get you there. The pink champagne kit and the platinum pink kit. For the pink champagne kit, it starts with the lip and cheek, and this one is Rosy Brown, which I'm applying to the cheek. And I will also put on the lips. This is a warmer pink, and it looks great on so many different skin colors. It's buildable. This is a great product for touch-ups. You could throw it in your bag, and you could quickly put it on your cheek and put it on your lips when you're at a holiday party. Then on the eyes, the best pencil in Onyx, which is a black, but it's got some silver shimmer in it, and you could line it, you could smudge it. I'm gonna go a little bit stronger than I normally do with a brown pencil. And the trick is to hold the lid, go close to the lashes, extend it a little bit. You could either do just on top, you could do it underneath, but already that looks like she's going out in the evening. It's great to line the eyes, it's great to smudge. And then there's Gilded, one of my favorite sparkle washes. And if you haven't tried the sparkle wash, trust me, it's gorgeous. It's very transparent, so when you put it on, it just looks like you've got some sparkly glass on your eyes. But the good news is it dries, and so it's pretty long lasting, stays on a really long time. And it looks really great in the corner of the eyes. This looks great all by itself on the lid. It looks great over eyeshadow. If you haven't tried this formula, you must. I love it. And last but not least, the new Mini Miracle Balm in pink champagne, which I'm going to apply as a highlighter. Oh my God, you guys, it's so pretty. It's the Miracle Balm base, the original, which is colorless, and we just added this gold sparkle in it, so it gives a very, very special look. Perfect for the holidays, and you could apply a little bit to your lip, on your cheeks, wherever you like a little bit of shine. Both of the holiday kits are creative for people that like either silver or gold. The pink champagne kit has more gold tones, and the platinum pink has more silver tones. They're both really inspired by pinkies, because I think pink makes everyone look pretty. This is the platinum pink kit, a super pretty, really easy kit to get your makeup go from day to night. Let me show you what's in it. One of my favorite lip and cheek in bright pink, and why I love this, especially at night, a little bit of a pop of color is so pretty. You could wear it on bare skin, you could wear it over your foundation, you could wear it over a bronzer. Next, I'm gonna add on her eyes, Sparkle Wash in Barely Pink. You apply it right out of the tube, blend it in, and this is very rhinestone inspired, so it's kind of like the sparkly earrings that you wear. And then with this kit, you get the best pencil in black, great for people that normally wear a brown or a navy or a violet or a green. Black is definitely a stronger look. And you could make your pencil a little bit thicker than you normally do, just to really make your eyes stand out. And let me show you the cherry on the sundae. There's an exclusive Miracle Balm. And what we did is we took the original Miracle Balm in Au Naturel, which is a colorless balm, and we had the lab put in just silver sparkles, and it just really adds a beautiful highlight to above your cheek, the high part of your cheekbone. You could do it on your shoulders. It's super pretty. You could wear a little bit on your lips. How party ready, all she needs is a martini and she's ready to go.